Hello viewers, I'm Major General Neelendra Kumar for the YouTube channel Lex Concilium Foundation for the playlist Going Strong. As you are aware, this is the playlist where we speak to eminent people above the age of 80. In conversation, I'm here with Mr. K.K. Venugopal. Now, apart from the law books and the library, and you have set up an example, you are also known to be one of the most widely traveled law person. Now, sir, whether it is in Africa or elsewhere, the places, even names are not known. Now, apart from your passion, how do you think that that wide exposure helped you in the profession?
See, I have traveled as a president of and vice president of the Union International des Avocats. Yes. That's the oldest international association of lawyers, yes, based in Paris.
Right.
And I had to attend the opening of the bars, okay, of various countries, including the Bar of England, the Bar of France, and so on.
You make it a point, so you made it a point.
Therefore, whenever I travel,
yes,
I meet people. I meet lawyers. I discuss their respective professions.
Yes.
I attend the American Bar Association meetings.
Yes.
And I'm an honorary member of the ABA.
Yes.
And I meet the judges of the US Supreme Court. I got photographs with many of the judges with whom I was interacting,
yes,
including Chief Justice Warren Burger,
yes,
or various other
all-time greats.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And so this has a sort of your horizon, your thinking, and the comprehension yes, of the issues with the wider ramifications.
But otherwise, I have believed in adventure travel.
Yes.
I've been to the Antarctica, I have been to the Arctic, yes, to the North Pole.
Yes.
I had laid down on the snow.
It's remarkable. I think
so on.
One complete session could be held at some time about your experiences of your travel.
Yeah.
Now, talking about your father, sir, Mr. M.K. Nambyar, it is, I read it that after the famous Gopalan's case, the next major case that he had taken up related to Maharaja of Cochin, and that was a major work. And then started his frequent travels to Delhi to appear before the Supreme Court. However, in Sudhish Pai's book, I read that he was reluctant to shift to Delhi. So what was the idea behind that, sir?
See, my mother,
yes,
was in Mangalore for a long time.
Okay.
When my father was public prosecutor and government pleader.
Yes.
She had built up quite a few friends there. Yes. And therefore, she was well settled in Mangalore. Yes. Then my father shifted to Madras.
Okay.
That is, at that time it was Madras.
Yes.
And there she built up friends and clubs and so on.
Okay.
Therefore, she was not prepared again to uproot herself, yes, and come and settle in Delhi, find friends.
Yes.
And
that was a new place would have been.
Therefore,
yes,
she refused to travel to Delhi, yes, and settle down in Delhi. Therefore, my father continued in Madras. He used to come to Delhi and go to different high courts.
And he's mentioned that after Govinda Menan's elevation, the extra work had come to Mr. Nambyar, and he was awfully busy, totally inundated with the work.
See, he was a public prosecutor and government pleader,
sir,
in what they say the Mofussil.
Yes.
That is a district.
Yes.
In a district court.
Okay.
Therefore, he had the opportunity, when Justice Govinda Menan was elevated,
yes,
to the Madras High Court, to come over to Madras, okay, to take over his entire practice.
Yes.
He invited him,
yes,
and asked Mr. Nambyar, will you come over to Delhi,
yes,
to take over my practice, because somebody has to, yes, look after all the cases from Malabar and Tamil Nadu and elsewhere. Therefore, my father, who had graduated from the London School of Economics,
yes,
and had stood first, yes, in constitutional law and administrative law,
Yes.
He was very happy to come over to Madras
Okay.
because the constitutional law was very important.
That was to his liking.
Yes.
Yes.
And he was arguing a criminal case and citing constitutional cases
Sir.
when Mr. V.G. Rao,
Yes.
who was in charge of A.K. Gopalan's case,
Yes.
saw him arguing in a criminal case, death
Yes.
sentence, where is constitutional issues.
Okay.
Therefore, he asked Father Mr. Nambyar, would you be prepared to take up A.K. Gopalan?
Yes.
Because that's the first case among the long list of preventive detention cases in Delhi. And Father happily jumped at the opportunity. And though he was paid a very low fee,
Yes.
he was not bothered about the fee. But he wanted to show that he had
Yes.
a command of
The new sort
knowledge
of,
of
yes.
constitutional law.
Yes. And also was connected with A.K. Kripak's case. Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.